This is my little bike right here. Only thing that's wrong with it right now is a clutch, as you can see. I need to buy those new pieces. This is my crazy neighbor over here. Right there. As you can see, right there. He's right there, fixing a little gas, little motorcycle. Smokes. Yeah, it's crazy as fuck, dude. That's my crazy neighbor. He's really crazy as fuck. He's putting alcohol in his motorcycle. He's gonna ruin everything. He's gonna ruin everything. Oh my god. Watch him blow it. He's gonna blow his engine, dude. Put it on the gas filter. Look. Is it leaking out there? No, it's not. It's really leaking out here. Stop. Keep that. That's a gas filter. See that? It's all smoking. What a loser. He's gonna go inside for a little while.